You are too ambitious. You should be a doctor, lawyer, or an accountant. You need a master's degree to get ahead. I don't even know why I'm here. I'm Kim Kim. I'm a software engineer working in Canada. And this is how I got started in coding. In university, I always thought that my life had planned out. I studied really hard, tried to become an actuary or an accountant. Since 2018, second year in my university, I worked in different roles, being a teaching assistant in accounting after being a straight A student in accounting courses, of course, being an audit intern in one of the biggest insurance company in Canada. This job has shaped my personality. They have built my soft skill. They have trained my ability to persuade different stakeholders to follow my advice in their business operation. Without them, I wouldn't be who I am today. But the job has one thing in common. It's just something that I do not enjoy. I feel like it's not me. I like my body in the office, but my mind is not there at all. Then I wonder, is it how my life is going to be in the next 20 years? And then I began to search what I was passionate about by paying attention to the things that I enjoy most. Joining a lot of startup events, pitching my business idea and building mobile app. And then I get caught up in coding process while working as a data analytics project at my previous job. It was something that I see myself doing every day. So I thought to myself that probably it's the one. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna try anyway. I quit my job as an auditor and I told myself that I'm gonna prove these people wrong. That is how my self-learning journey began. So I gave myself 6-month deadline while waiting for my university admission to study computer science. I started learning coding with free resources available online. I learned how to code on the side in free Codecamp to learn basic JavaScript syntax. My learning process was a little bit messy. I learned different language from Python to JavaScript, CSS. I start directly message anyone on LinkedIn who is working as a data scientist or software engineer and asking a lot of questions about their field, and they seem to really enjoy their work. That's a good sign. I learned mobile app development with React Native through online platforms such as Udemy. I learned mobile YouTube, other resources as well. I joined startup competition during this period to showcase my skill, build a lot of my soft skill, and get a third prize in the competition. I'm really thrilled. At the same time, I start preparing for my resume. I read up a lot of job description online to make sure that I'm well prepared for technical skill. And I'm aware that I need to prove myself that I'm able to take on software engineering role without any experience and no degree. So I did whatever I can during free resources online to brush up my skill. I studied day and night, although it's really tiring, but I really enjoy it. I applied to all the jobs that I can find on LinkedIn, watching a lot of YouTube video to keep my energies moving. And then on my birthday, April 27, I got an interview for a startup in Toronto. It lasted for 2 hours with difficult technical questions. However, 1 week after, I got my first offer as a software engineer. This is how I become a developer. I wanted to remind you, you had everything you need to start it just by Googling. And you never feel like you're ready anyway. You might feel I feel it, so I just started. Your classmate, your friend will doubt you, but the least you can do is don't doubt yourself. That is my resolution in 2021. And what is yours? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the next video.